Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to list your property on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and at the bottom of your screen tap on Listing. This takes you to the section where you can manage all your property listings. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap the plus icon. This is your starting point for creating any new listing on the platform. Now tap on Create a new listing to begin the setup process. This launches Airbnb's step-by-step guide that walks you through everything you need to share about your property. The first thing you'll need to do is input an address. Type in the full street address of the property you're listing, then tap Next to move forward. You'll see another Next button appear. Go ahead and tap Next again. Now you'll be asked to select an option that best describes your place. For example, you might choose House if you're listing a standalone home. This helps Airbnb categorize your property correctly for potential guests. After selecting, tap Next. Next, you'll choose the type of place you're offering. For instance, select an entire place if guests will have the whole property to themselves. This is an important distinction as it affects pricing and guest expectations. Once you've made your selection, tap Next to continue. Now you'll be prompted to pin the exact location of your property on a map. This helps guests understand where they'll be staying and what's nearby. Adjust the pin if needed, then tap Next. After that, tap Next once more to proceed to the next section. Here's where you'll input the basics about your place. Enter details like the number of guests your property can accommodate, how many bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms it has. These details are crucial because they help guests determine if your space fits their needs. After filling everything in, tap Next. Now it's time to highlight what amenities you offer. Input features like Wi-Fi, free parking, air conditioning, and anything else that makes your property stand out. The more amenities you list, the more attractive your property becomes to potential guests. When you're done, tap Next. You'll now see an option that says Add Photos. Tap on it and select at least 5 photos of your property. High-quality images are essential as they're often the first thing guests notice. Once you've chosen your photos, tap Upload. Now wait patiently while the upload completes. This can take a bit of time depending on your internet connection and the size of your photos, so just let it process. Once the upload finishes, tap Next. Now you'll be asked to input a title for your listing. Create something catchy and descriptive that captures what makes your place special, then tap Next. After that, you'll describe your house by tapping options that best match it. Select what applies and tap Next. Next, create a detailed description of your property. This is your chance to really sell your space and highlight what makes it unique. Write something engaging, then tap Next. You'll be prompted to tap Next once more to continue. Now it's time to select your booking settings. Choose options that work best for how you want to manage reservations, then tap Next. After that, input your price per night. Consider your location, amenities, and local competition when setting this amount, then tap Next. Wait a moment while the page loads and processes your pricing information. You'll now have the option to input discounts for things like weekly or monthly stays. Add any discounts you'd like to offer, then tap Next. Finally, share any important safety details about your property such as security cameras, nearby hazards, or access instructions. Once you've filled everything in, tap Create Listing, and that's it. Your property is now listed on Airbnb and ready to start welcoming guests. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.